At first, we were all shooting each other back and forth with the Nerf guns, you know, surprising each other, ambush, whatever. There's Nerf darts that we still haven't found. So one day, I lay in ambush waiting for him to come home, but I had set up another surprise for him. So, I put something up here. I don't know if you guys can see that behind me. This thing here. That's an air horn.
I've got a bunch of stuff to bring. Ah, you!
Only got one shot left. Oh.
This isn't over.
And it wasn't over. He retaliated by taking my phone and holding down the photo button and taking a bunch of selfies, which I have for you right here, right now. Viewer discretion is advised. It does get a little racy, and I'm sorry for that. I know that censor bars only go so far, but try to just blot that image out of your head. Dalton Huxley, everyone. Now, after that, I had no plans to retaliate, but my other roommate, Josiah, you guys know Josiah, he was looking up a whole bunch of pranks, and he gave me a wonderful idea. You know those little party poppers where you pull the string and confetti shoots out? Yeah, if you dismantle those, you can make something that I like to call snap traps. You can put these almost anywhere. Literally anything that slides open or swings open. I'm pretty sure you could rig a toilet seat to explode like that, but I haven't tried it yet. I had a whole bunch of them set up last night and Dalton kept tripping them. So he got kind of upset and proceeded to punch me in the arm many times. But I wasn't finished, no sir. So after he went to bed, I put one on his bedroom door, I put one on the fridge again, I put another one on the cabinet, and I think I put one on the front door too. And he tripped all 4 of them because he's the first person to get up. I'm still waiting for him to prank me back though, because all he does is hit me, and you know, I'd like it to get creative. You know, a battle of wits. Got that mental sparring. Ha! Oh, he's home. Oh, I just saw his car. He's gonna get me. Ah! Guys, if I don't post another vlog after this, that means that he's killed me, and you have my permission to avenge me. Alright, here we go. I'm approaching the apartment. I don't trust anything. I have video evidence. I'm recording right now, so that you can't kill me. There he is. There's the guy. Tell them how you feel.
God for freaking pulling that crap this morning.